Alright, so we're here in Forillon Park, Petit Gaspé Beach, and we're gonna go whale watching here, so hopefully we'll see some different whales. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Is that our boat?
Rorqual, comme le petit rorqual. Bienvenue à bord.
Merci.
Looking for a fucking whale, boy!
Searching for a whale. So the whale we're about to see here is a blue whale, which is the largest whale in the world. So we were really lucky to see one of these.
Why did the dead ones jump up? I think he's flashing up at the whale.
Elle est énorme. C'est super rare qu'on voit une baleine bleue.
So this one is a minke whale, which is a smaller one, but still really beautiful. So after passing through some stormy waters, we made it back to the coast, and we followed the shoreline until we got back to the dock. As we were riding towards our next destination, we saw a beautiful sunset. Thank you for watching.